Hey, everyone! We all know the present and the future are tech-driven. Today, it's about creating amazing things using code. What if I told you you could be a part of it? Well, you can. Learning to code opens doors. It's like having a superpower. And guess what? One of the coolest coding superpowers out there is called Python. Python is a way to talk to computers. You tell them what to do, and they do it. This is called programming. Knowing how to code can lead to incredible opportunities. It can boost your career, no matter what you want to do. And for my African brothers and sisters, both here and across the diaspora, it's our chance to shape the future of tech. So, what exactly is Python? Think of it as a language, but instead of talking to people, you use it to talk to computers. You give the computer instructions, and it follows them. That's coding. Python is used for all sorts of amazing things. Want to build websites and apps? Python can do that. What about analyzing data to understand trends? Python's got you covered. Artificial intelligence? The really smart stuff computers are doing? Yep, Python's there too. It's even used to create art and music. Now, you might be thinking, coding sounds hard. But here's the thing about Python. It's known for being beginner-friendly. The way it's written is easy to understand, even if you're just starting. Plus, there's a huge community of Python users all over the world. That means there's always someone to help if you get stuck. And get this, Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages out there. Companies are looking for people who know Python. Learning it is like investing in your future. It's like learning the hottest dance move, but for your career. Okay, ready to dive in? First things first, you need to get Python on your computer. Don't worry, it's free and easier than you think. Just head to the official Python website and download the version for your computer. Once you've installed it, you'll need a code editor. That's where you'll write your Python code. There are many free code editors available online. Pick one that looks good to you and follow the instructions to install it. Now you're all set. So, what are the ABCs of Python? How do you think like a coder? Let's get to the fun part, writing some actual code. Don't worry, we'll start with the basics. In Python, you work with things called variables. They're like containers for holding information. You can have variables for numbers, words, and more. You'll also learn about data types, which tell Python what kind of information you're working with. Then there are conditionals. They're like rules you set for your program. For example, you can tell Python to do something only if a certain condition is true. And of course, there are loops which let you repeat a piece of code multiple times. Let's look at Python in action. Now that you have a taste of Python, let's talk about what you can do with it. We've already touched on some of its superpowers. Python is used to build websites you visit every day. It's used in data science to analyze information and make predictions. Remember artificial intelligence? Python is a key player in that field, powering things like self-driving cars and virtual assistants. It's even used to create video games. Despite what you might think, African people are tech pioneers. And look, I'm not gonna lie. The tech world hasn't been the most welcoming place for us. But we are changing things. We're here, we're brilliant, and we're making our mark. As always, there are incredible black coders, developers, and tech entrepreneurs, past and present, who paved and are paving the way. We need us. The world needs us. Our unique perspectives, our creativity, our ideas, they matter. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. This is our place. Let's get started. Are you ready to unlock your coding superpower? The best way to learn is by doing. Start with simple projects. There are tons of free resources online. Websites like Codecademy and Khan Academy offer beginner-friendly Python courses. And don't forget about the Python community. Join online forums, ask questions, and connect with other learners. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Keep coding, keep dreaming. Learning to code is like opening a door to a world of possibilities. It's about being creative, solving problems, and building the future you want to see. Who knows? Maybe you'll create the next big app, design a groundbreaking website, or develop an AI that changes the world. The point is, you have the power to make a difference. So, what are you waiting for? Start your coding journey today. The future is waiting. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more inspiring and educational content.